Hello friends, in Sunday's video I have mentioned that Nifty looks very bullish and we had a positive biasness in Nifty. So accordingly we had a good movement in Nifty, and today's closing, if you see, it has closed at almost 11,425, which is above this 11,350 level, which was the crucial level, a crucial level in the sense that was the level where multiple times it has taken a resistance, and today it has opened gap up and was able to close gap up only. That means it has closed below, sorry, above yesterday's close, and this gap was intact. So we feel that Nifty is in a bull trend now, and immediate target we can expect is 11,500, because 11,500 is a level where it can face some resistance, and going further we can see the level of 11,700 also. Now tomorrow, if we have to trade Nifty, then if it comes at this level, around 11,350, then we can look for a buy opportunity, or if it goes directly above this and sustains above this 11,500, then also we can enter, and we can aim for this 11,700 level. Actually, the option data also suggests that there can be a very good up move. So overall Nifty, we have an bullish biasness, and based on Nifty, since Nifty is having a bullish biasness, individual stock will also have the similar patterns, and that we see ICICI Bank is also showing the same structure, and we can have a very good risk reward ratio with 371 as a stop loss, and uh, above 377 we can have an confirmation of this uptrend, and we can enter at this level. So if it gives a movement and sustains above this like this, then we can enter with a stop loss of 371 to start with, and as we go further, this swing can be kept as a stop loss, and we can aim for 382 as our first target, second 386, and going further 390. But definitely we see a very positive movement in ICICI Bank. Even the option data suggests we can have a very good upside in ICICI Bank. Similarly, Reliance also has given a very good movement today, and it is moving in a consolidation range. If you see, this is the consolidation range, and it is moving in this range, and now it is trying to break this consolidation. And today, if you see, it has moved in a particular range and has sustained above this 2120, which is a very good sign. So tomorrow, if we see a movement about 2160, then we can expect a definitely very good move with immediate target of 2193 or around 2200, and going further 2242, and even 2300 or around 2290 level can also be seen in before this expiry. So a very good up move can be seen in Reliance, and once Reliance moves, obviously the Nifty will also move, and that's what our pattern also shows. So these are the two main frontline stocks. If these similar patterns we can see in other frontline stocks also, but we have choose these two. And other than this, Federal Bank is also is giving a very good structure, and above 55.9 we can expect a immediate move up to 57.5 and going further 60, and with a stop loss of 39 3.9. So this can be a very good risk reward ratio, and this is our initial stop loss, but as we proceed in our trade, we can shift this stop loss higher, so that our risk reward is improved further. So this is Federal Bank. Even we can have this stock for positional, but definitely with a stop loss, because overall market is in a very critical stage. Critical in the sense we can expect a very good up move, but at the same time, if there is some news or some overall market, overall world market, we see some negativity, then we can see a fall also. So it's always better to have a stop loss intact and trade as per the levels. Our next stock is Century Textile. Again, Century Textile is also showing a very good pattern, If you see on a hourly chart, this is the consolidation range. This was the consolidation range in fact, and now it has moved above this consolidation. And if you see earlier when we suggested uh, this this was the trend line, and once it broke this trend line, it gave a up move, and after that again when it came down, it has taken a support at this trend line, and from there twice it has taken a support. So that was a confirmation that it will now go further down, and then it started moving up, and once it broke this consolidation range, it has given a one side move. Now again it is consolidating in a particular range of 344 to around uh, 334 range. So today it has given a little downward movement below this, but then again it has bounced back. So we expect that it will honor this, or going further, even if it gives a movement up to this 323 level, 323.6 level, there we can find this consolidation range upper swing. So this can be our good entry point, and if we get this stock at this level around 323 to 328, that can be a very good risk reward trade, and we can have 317 as our stop loss, and we can aim for this first target of 344, going further 358, and above this it can give a very good up move. And if it doesn't go below this, if tomorrow if it opens above this 344 level and forms a entry point like this, then we can enter and we can aim for 358 as our first target. So it's better if we get this target, we will exit at least part quantity, and the profit amount we can keep it as a for further targets. So this can be a very good risk reward trade in Century Textile. Next is Z. Actually, Z, if you see, we have been tracking this stock from almost March end. That is when there was a big fall. Since then, it was in my best pick, and it has given a very good return since then. We have entered, we have suggested to our friends also to enter here, and some of the friends have the position carrying maybe from here. So it gave a movement up to 200, and then again had a fall, again came almost at this level, but then again second time we have entered at this 145 level, and that was in the early August, and now it's almost 200. So almost 60 point it has given in hardly 20 days, or rather within a month, but now it is approaching at a level where it will find some resistance, because this is the previous swing high, and also even if we see the option data, we can see that this 210 can be a very good resistance level. So at the same time, if you see uh, yesterday it has given a very good up move, rather today it has given a very good up move immediately from almost 170 to 200 level. So 30 points in a single day it has given. So the price has moved away from this 20 EMA and 200 EMA. So price will try to correct, that is a natural process, and in that bargain it may take a resistance at the 210, because again that is the level where that was the previous swing high. So combinedly with this multiple parameters, we can expect a pause at this level, so we can initiate a sell position, and immediately we can have a target of 200 and going below 194 and up to 185 also. But then if we get a stock at this level, maybe around 178 or 180, we should add some quantity again. We should offload the quantity at around this level 200 to 210, and then again add some quantity at this 178 to 180 level, and so that we can have more quantity. At the same time, we'll have a profit booking. So further going, we can expect a target of 220 or even 250 in near future, maybe up to Diwali, we can have a very good Diwali on this, or we can have a very good vacation planned on this. uh, Apart from this, first time I am adding gold. To track gold or to analyze gold, we should track the overall international gold prices also. And in that, if we see, in fact, we have suggested to a few of our clients a sale at this level. In fact, we have taken a position also, but then we have exited with a small profit. But this was the level where the price had moved very far away from the regular averages, and it has given a one side movement from almost July. In 2 months it has given a very good movement. This is the international prices. At the same time, similar structure we will be finding in our domestic or Indian gold prices also. And recently, after this fall, uh, it it has taken a support at this 1864, then bounced back, then now it has gone up to 2016 or 2017 level, which was the level where it has found a resistance, because this was the consolidation range, and at that level it has taken a resistance and then given a fall. Now if we combine this lowers of this swings, we get a trend line. And this price, today's price, it has given a breakout below this trend line. So in my view, we'll be having a bearish view on this gold. As it is, there is a bearish sentiments in gold because the price has moved very rapidly in a short span, and the overall scenario also is now looks good for equity market or other assets. So people will book profit in gold, and that's what it has happened. And now again we can have a trading perspective on gold with 1992 as a stop loss, and we'll have a sell position in gold. And immediately we can expect, immediately in the sense in near future, we can expect a price of 1920, 1880 and 1829 or 25 in this international gold prices. And similarly the same structure we will see in our Indian prices also. So with that, uh, 53,460 or 53,500 will become our stop loss, and we can expect a price of 518 51800 and 5100 and 5300, and max it can go up to 49,500. So this will these are the levels where I am expecting the gold prices to go, maybe in few months. But from trading perspective, these levels we can have as our levels for trading. And for the people who follow the Fibonacci levels, so even the Fibonacci, if you see, uh, this after the fall from almost 56,000 to 50,000, almost 6,000 point fall in mere 2 3 days. After that it has taken a support and bounced back. But after this bounce back, it has retraced to almost 61% of this Fibonacci retracement level. So which at this level it has taken a resistance, and from this level itself it has given a again downfall. And now this maximum 53 or 54,000 level, it can act as a very good resistance. And again, in our Indian prices also we see the same pattern. Price is forming after this channel. If you see, if you draw this channel, then we can see a similar trend that it has broken this level. Actually our gold prices are followed, in fact we follow the international prices. So similar structure we are getting. And if we get a fall, this 51820 and 5100 can be our immediate targets. So this is just for an educational purpose, we can track. So this is for the first time I have put commodity or gold in my channel. So let's watch and see how it moves.